Hi everyone! If you love tteokbokki, you should try this recipe. We don't need many ingredients and so easy to make. And also, it only takes about 15 minutes. There are plenty of tteokbokki recipes in Korea, and my favorite is spicy tteokbokki. But in this video, I will show you the most basic style tteokbokki, so it's not spicy at all. Anyone can enjoy it. Okay, let's get started. First, soak the rice cakes in water. And I'm gonna boil the eggs. Turn on the heat to high and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. When water starts to boil, set the timer for 8 minutes. 8 minutes later, take out the eggs and soak it in ice water. Now cut the green onions and fish cakes into bite-sized pieces. And place the pan on medium-high heat and pour 1 cup of water. And add 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and mix it well. And add rice cakes and fish cakes, boil it for 3 minutes. Three minutes later, if the sauce has gotten thicker, add green onions and boil it for another 1 minute. Put the egg on the side and sprinkle some sesame. That's it! Enjoy!